How to seduce a woman. The exciting situation of seduction, the butterflies in your stomach when you see her, the nerves when you meet her to meet on a date, the wonderful feeling of being reciprocated, the fantastic experience of flirting. The truth is that this ritual is a whole world, and not half of the time it is so easy, that not even the events live up to our expectations, almost magical. But like everything, there are always problems. If what you want is to conquer a woman, there is no manual for how to win the woman of your dreams, but this video is the best step-by-step method to seduce that girl that you can't get out of your head. Before you start, make sure to subscribe to this Raymond channel for more videos. 1. Smile. Smiling is vital to attract all the people around you. So much so that to seduce women or men it is essential to try to appear happy and smiling. This happens because by generating endorphins we become closer to others. 2. Be mysterious. One way to capture the attention of others will be through fostering an atmosphere of mystery. To do this, you can try not to give too much information about your personal life so that others end up wanting to know about you. 3. Establish eye contact. We should never underestimate the power of nonverbal communication in these situations. But that doesn't mean that you stare at her all the time like a psychopath, because you'll just look like another fool behind her. 4. Show security. One of the keys to seduction is enjoying good mental health. Therefore, it is essential to have both good self-esteem and appear confident in front of others. Show confidence in yourself, be free and natural, without complexes. We must let ourselves be carried away by our instincts and not try to be other people. 5. Relax. In order to seduce a woman, it is vital to try to maintain a relaxed attitude without showing tension or insecurity in your attitudes. This will make everything flow better between the two of you and will also promote a good atmosphere. That's it for today's video. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already.